All right, folks. Hey, in at least half of my videos, I mentioned to retire to something, not from something. So today is a book review. And the title of the book is A Simple Way to Find Life Purpose. And it's called The 4 L's. Can you see that? 4 L's. And it's by Lynn Beverly Strang. She's actually a viewer of this channel and gave me a signed copy. So I'm excited about that. I read this a couple weeks ago and have been working on my 4 L's. And today I want to just give my thoughts on this book. First, excellent. I really liked it. Very simple read. It's 126 pages, large print, and most of it is action. So what are the 4 L's? And I'm going to my computer over here. The 4 L's are your loves, your likes, your live withs, and your loathes. Okay? Loves, likes, live with, and loathes. And the book walks you through creating a list of things that you love, that you like, that you can live with, and that you loathe. Loathe are the things that you want to avoid. Let's see. Many of us struggle for a sense of purpose. I'm reading off the back. A reason to get up in the morning. Where do you begin? How do you break free of the same old path? The 4 L's, a simple way to find life's purpose, is one writer's answer to the bewildering dilemma. It's a simple process to follow. How do you discover the purpose-driven possibilities? Through straightforward 4-quadrant technique that can be fun. Where to look for unnoticed or forgotten nuggets about yourself. And what to do to get clarity on the question that baffles so many people seeking purpose. Along the way, the book explains why a shared passion should be the it's kind of dark, operative words for every cause, and how the Power 3 can lead to the big idea. So, like I said, I read this a few weeks back. I created, and I'm not going to share them all, but 10 loves that I grouped down to 5. They kind of like had some similar themes, so I grouped them, highlighted them together. And from that, I made some connections. And that's, after you fill up the 4 quadrants, you say, hey, list 1 or 2 or 3 loves and then link them to likes, can live with, and loathes, and come up with some things to explore. So this worked actually extremely well for me. I came up with, I'll talk about the connections. I love making a difference and helping others by coaching and mentoring. So that leads to what I'm currently doing now. I do some virtual coaching on business and reliability maintenance. I write for a magazine, and I started a YouTube channel. So that's kind of what I'm doing now. That was nice to see that connection. Another connection for me is I love exercise and nutrition. So I'm looking at setting a fitness goal. I don't know if I want to tell you what it is. I got 2 fitness goals. I'll tell you after I complete them or get really serious about it, but getting very specific about a goal, something to chase, right? And to chase myself, my future self. Another connection was something I love. I love learning. I love history, and I love philosophy. And I've talked about on this channel before how I have a discussion group where we pick a topic. I just love that it linked in with some of the things I'm already doing. Another connection, the 4th connection, is something I love: learning new cultures, nature. And this tied into my travel goal. I like doing slow travel, don't like a lot of stress in preparation for a trip. I like just going, staying someplace 3 days, 4 days, 5 days, whatever seems to make sense. And I really don't, some of the stress of travel, specifically international travel, worrying about missing something. If you go to the United Kingdom, am I going to miss something in my 2-3 weeks I'm spending there. So I like to do pre-planned travel with a guide. At least that's where I'm at today. Other people may disagree with that. But probably the biggest highlight for me, I've spent a lot of time on what I'm retiring to, but this book revealed to me something that I love that I really don't have a concrete action for. And that was very telling. And that is my faith life. I have a good faith life. I study, but I'm not even pursuing great. So that was enlightening. Okay, so this book is, I looked it up for you. It's $7.51 on Amazon. I'm not affiliated with Lynn at all. I'll leave some information. Maybe even I'll put a link on here for you if you want to look at this book. But I'm telling you, for me, and I'm a person that has put a lot of thought into what I'm retiring to. It hit 4 of the 5 really head on, and it highlighted a 5th one for me. And that was kind of like getting slapped upside the head. One of my probably my most important journey and goal is my faith life, and I don't have a path to being great there. So worth the read. There you go. It's Joe out. A little slow here.